An emergency broadcast will be forwarded to this carrier momentarily. Please stand by for further information.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Essex County, New Jersey, effective until 7:55 a.m. on January 4th, 2004. A sequence of mass homicides has occurred within Essex County, in the township of Cedar Grove. The suspect in these homicides is identified as a man standing over 6 feet tall, wearing all black clothing covering the head, arms, hands, legs, and feet. The suspect has no skin on his face, though he shows no signs of infection in the muscles of the face. The suspect's name is